Howdy there, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Alright, so today we have two Stygimolochs here. This is one. This is a battle damage from Primal attack, I believe. You push that, it shows the damage. Classic one. Classic, very classic. There's a DNA scan. We check the year, if I can find it. 2017. Wow, right there, guys. A real classic one, and this is from a few months ago. Chaos Theory also. It came from the Darius Adventure Pack. It also came with a Dimorphodon and a Juvenile Carnotaurus. The DNA scans on its back now. We'll find the year. Let's see if I can find this guy. This one is just last year, 2023, right there. Okay, so the feature of this guy has a movable head. Nice spikes on the back of its head too. Nice bump right there. This one can move also. Let's see if it is the same model. I believe it is the same. Look at the curve of the body, also the same. And they only took off the battle damage and update the DNA scan right in the back. Okay, guys, so this is a Chaos Theory from a few months ago, and this is from a couple years ago. Okay, because of this, we have the KENJI and Stygimoloch Defender Pack. The newest Stygimoloch. Okay, guys, you can find this in Kohl's, but I got mine at Big Bad Toy Store. They have this in Kohl's. Let's open it up. Oh, actually, let's check the back. Okay, so this is what I saw this two in Kohl's the other day. I didn't get it because I have it already. Okay, so it comes with a Medipack right there. Bandage. No extra dinos. Okay, let's open it up. Let's check it out. Alright. Hopefully we can find the other KENJI, the Moto Chase Pack. That thing is a rare find. Hopefully it comes out soon. So this one looks like a classic too. The color looks old. Let's compare to the classic one, the older one. See? Exactly the same curve. Look at the curve on that. Exactly the same, guys. Different horns color. Gray and white. Same model. Now we'll compare to the other Chaos Theory, because this one is also a Chaos Theory. It's called the KENJI, of course. Defender Pack. There's the DNA scan for you guys. Okay. Not much to say here. Almost the same, but yeah, it doesn't look new, but looks old. But this one even looks newer though, the green one. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Alright. Right now, I'm almost done with my other custom hybrid downstairs. I'm letting it dry. It should be ready on Tuesday. Alright, guys. I will see you maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, guys. Oops, almost forgot the box. My goodness. This guy. Almost forgot. Let's take him out. Let's take out we got a rifle here. Or it looks like a trank gun. I think it is a trank gun. Alright, let's take out KENJI. Almost forgot you. And this bandage right here. And it's med pack right here. Why is it stuck? Okay. Oh gosh, they tape it. Okay. Alright, guys, there you go. Does it open? Oh, it opens up. My goodness, look at that. Where do you put this? On its arm? I don't know. Maybe it's just for props. Pretty much just for props. Okay. And this one goes to the dino. You put on its leg. You wrap it right there. Alright. So let's just, yeah. Just leave it right there from now on. Well, I'll take it off. Yeah, perfect. Now, let's see KENJI's tranquilizer gun. Let's see if we can put it on its hand. Because these things are a pain in the butt. Oh goodness, I knew it. I knew it. I'm gonna have a hard time with this. Oh, screw it. I'm not wasting my time here. Ah, I thought it went in. I could have swore it went in. No, it didn't go in. Okay, well, never mind. Bye for now, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Okay. Nice jacket. Thanks again for subscribing. Don't forget to like also. Thank you so much. Bye.